Flexible graphite packing braided from Expand ANSI process pumps incorporates dimensional standardization, which allows for the piping, foundation, and design to be completed before pump suppliers are even selected. Also features more material options than other types. Centrifugal pumps, the best choice for lower viscosity liquids and high flow rates. API process pumps meets all API 610 requirements, which assures safety and reliability for high pressure, high temperature hydrocarbon applications. Axial flow pumps, the best choice for achieving a very high flow rate with very low head. Booster pumps allows for the build-up of additional pressure required to move liquid over long distances. Piston pumps, the best choice for applications that involve abrasive liquids. Progressive cavity pumps, sometimes referred to as the pump of last resort, because it is able to handle difficult liquids that other pumps are unable to accommodate. Screw pumps, these pumps feature the highest flow rate of positive displacement pumps. Gear pumps, the best choice for clean oil applications with few moving parts and simple construction. Flow pumps, the best choice for sanitary applications that pump viscous liquids or liquids that contain fragile solids, featuring no metal-to-metal contact within the pump. Diaphragm pumps, one of the most versatile choices, handling a wide range of liquids that are sealless and can run dry without damage to the pump. Vertical sump pumps, one of the most affordable, cost-effective sump pumps offered. Vertical turbine pumps, the best choice for deep wells. Submersible pumps, the best choice for areas prone to flooding. Also, these pumps eliminate column shaft and bearings found in column sump pumps. Self-priming pumps, main advantage, no need for external priming. Multi-stage pumps, currently the best way to get high pressure with a centrifugal pump with lower thrust loads. Magnetic drive pumps, no mechanical seals and are certain to be leak-free in design. Magnetic drive pumps, no mechanical seals and are certain to be leak-free in design. Horizontal split case pumps, one of the least likely pumps to cavitate that features much higher flow rates than end suction pumps.